Story 1. I asked a stranger to sleep with me on a bus. Real English, what you should never say, but learners always do. Last summer, a student from Japan was on a long bus journey in England. She was tired. The bus was crowded, but she saw an empty seat next to her. An older gentleman was standing nearby. He looked tired too. She wanted to be kind. She wanted to help. So she smiled at him, a warm, polite smile, and she said, "Would you like to sleep with me?" The man stopped moving. His eyes went wide. Other passengers turned to look. The man said nothing. He slowly walked to a different part of the bus and sat down alone. She did not understand what had happened. She thought she had been polite. She thought she had been helpful. But in English, those 6 words changed everything. In this lesson, you will learn why that sentence was so dangerous. You will learn what she should have said, and you will learn real English expressions you can use every day, on a bus, on a train, in a waiting room, anywhere. Repeat this sentence with me now. I think I said the wrong thing. Good. Let's begin. Her name was Yuki. She was 24 years old. She had been living in England for 3 months, studying at a language school in London. Her English was good for the classroom. She could read. She could write. She could answer questions. But speaking to real people, in real situations, that was different. That was harder. Repeat. Speaking to real people is different. Good. On this particular day, Yuki was traveling from London to Oxford. It was a 2-hour bus journey. She had a window seat. The seat next to her was empty. About 30 minutes into the journey, the bus made a stop. More people got on. The bus became full. Yuki looked up. An older man, perhaps 65 years old, was standing in the aisle. He was holding his bag. He looked uncomfortable. He looked tired. In Japan, offering your seat or the seat next to you to an older person is a normal, kind thing to do. It is polite. It is respectful. It is expected. Yuki wanted to do the right thing. She looked at the empty seat. She looked at the man. She thought about how to say it in English. In her mind, she was thinking, I want to invite him to sit here and rest, maybe even sleep on the journey. It is a long ride. She combined these thoughts into one sentence, and she said it. Repeat. She thought she was being kind. Good. She was being kind. But the words were completely wrong. Part 2. The mistake. Let's look at exactly what she said. Would you like to sleep with me? Now say this slowly with me. Would you like to sleep with me? This sentence has 6 words. Every word is simple. Every word is common. But together these 6 words have a very specific meaning in English. Sleep with someone is an expression. It does not mean to sleep near someone. It does not mean to rest near someone. It does not mean to share a seat. In English, sleep with someone means to have a romantic or sexual relationship with that person. This is what we call an expression or a fixed phrase. The words together mean something different from the words alone. Repeat. Sleep with someone is an expression. Good. So when Yuki said, "Would you like to sleep with me?" she was not offering a seat. She was asking something completely different. The man understood the expression. He did not know she had made a mistake. He walked away quickly and quietly. Yuki sat there confused. She looked out the window. She thought, did I say something wrong? Was I not polite enough? Did he not hear me? She had no idea. It was only later when she told her English teacher about the strange man on the bus that she understood. Her teacher went quiet. Then she laughed kindly, not unkindly, and she explained. Yuki put her face in her hands. Repeat. I had no idea. Good. That phrase is very useful. Say it again. I had no idea. This means, I did not know. I was completely unaware. You can use this phrase anytime you make a mistake you did not know about. Part 3. The correct phrase. So, what should Yuki have said? Let's look at 3 natural correct options. Option 1. Would you like to sit here? This is the simplest. It is clear. It is polite. It is perfect. Repeat. Would you like to sit here? Good. This sentence does exactly one thing it offers the seat. Nothing else. Nothing extra. Option 2. Please, take my seat. This is slightly more generous. You are not asking, you are offering directly. Repeat. Please, take my seat. Good. Take my seat means, this seat is yours. You can have it. Option 3. Please, go ahead, take the seat. Go ahead is a very common English expression. It means, you can do this. It is okay. I give you permission. Repeat. Please go ahead. Good. You can use go ahead in many situations. Someone is waiting to enter a door. Go ahead. Someone wants to speak first in a meeting. Go ahead. Someone is not sure if they can sit down. Go ahead. It is a small phrase, but it is very useful. Repeat one more time. Please, go ahead, take the seat. Part 4. Why this happens. Now let's understand why Yuki made this mistake. She did not make a grammar mistake. She did not make a spelling mistake. Her sentence was correct English. The problem was the meaning of the expression. In English, many phrases have 2 meanings. One meaning the literal meaning. This is what the words say. One meaning the idiomatic meaning. This is what people actually understand. Sleep with someone literally means to sleep in the same place as someone. But idiomatically, in real spoken English, it means something completely different. Repeat. Literal meaning and idiomatic meaning are not always the same. Good. This is one of the most important things to understand about English. Here are some other expressions like this. Kick the bucket literally, to kick a bucket with your foot. Idiomatically, to die. Break a leg, literally, to break your leg. Idiomatically, good luck, especially before a performance. Cost an arm and a leg, literally, to pay with your body parts. Idiomatically, to be very expensive. If you only know the literal meaning, these phrases will confuse you. They might even embarrass you. Repeat. I need to learn both the literal and the idiomatic meaning. Very good. Part 5. Transport vocabulary. Now let's learn some real English that you can use on buses, trains, and in any transport situation. These are phrases real people use every day. Is this seat taken? This means, is someone already sitting here? Can I sit down? Repeat. Is this seat taken? Good. If someone says this to you, you can answer, no, go ahead. The seat is free. Yes, I'm saving it for someone. The seat is not free. Repeat. No, go ahead. Excuse me, could I get past? This means, I need to move past you. Please move a little. Repeat. Excuse me, could I get past? Good. On a crowded bus, this is very useful. What stop is this? This means, Which stop are we at right now? What is the name of this place? Repeat. What stop is this? Could you let me know when we reach place? This means, please tell me when we arrive at this destination. I am worried I will miss my stop. Repeat. Could you let me know when we reach Oxford? Good. This is a very natural and polite request. I think I missed my stop. This means, I went past the place where I should have gotten off. Repeat. I think I missed my stop. Good. This happens to everyone. Now you know what to say. Part 6 Story Resolution. Let's go back to Yuki. After her teacher explained everything, Yuki felt terrible for about 5 minutes. Then she laughed, a long, embarrassed laugh. She told her classmates. They laughed too. Then her teacher said something important. She said, "You learned something today that you will never forget." And she was right. From that day, Yuki never confused an expression with a literal meaning again. Before using any new phrase, she asked, "Is this an expression? What does it really mean?" That is a very smart habit. And now you have it too. Repeat. Is this an expression? What does it really mean? Good. Vocabulary review. Now let's review everything from today's lesson. Sleep with someone. This is an expression. It means a romantic or sexual relationship. It does not mean to sleep near someone. Repeat. Sleep with someone is an expression. Would you like to sit here? The correct and safe way to offer a seat to someone. Repeat. Would you like to sit here? Please take my seat. A generous, direct way to offer your seat. Repeat. Please take my seat. Go ahead. You can do this. It is okay. I give permission. Repeat. Go ahead. I had no idea. I did not know. I was completely unaware. Repeat. I had no idea. Is this seat taken? Is someone sitting here already? Repeat. Is this seat taken? Could you let me know when we reach? Please tell me when we arrive at this place. Repeat. Could you let me know when we reach my stop? I think I missed my stop. I went past the place where I should have gotten off. Repeat. I think I missed my stop. Literal meaning versus idiomatic meaning. The words can say one thing, but the expression can mean something completely different. Repeat. I will always check both meanings. Closing. Remember what Yuki's teacher said. Every mistake is a lesson you will never forget. You did not just learn a phrase today. You learned how English expressions work and why they can surprise you. That is real English. Not just vocabulary, not just grammar, but meaning, context, culture. Repeat one final time. Real English is about meaning, context, and culture. Excellent. If this lesson helped you, share it with one person who is learning English right now. And subscribe because next week we have another real story, another real mistake, and 10 new phrases you will use for the rest of your life. See you next time.